all, I am telling you, I am from a Bengali medium school. He is also from
I'm not from school. I am from primary school. So
our mother language is Bengali.
yeah, Hindi is our Masi language.
Masi language.
Masi's language.
Masi's language.
Masika.
And English is no one's language.
English is Parosan.
Parosan,
Not
Parosan.
Stepmom.
Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage.
You like love marriage or you like arranged marriage?
I like arranged marriage.
You like arranged marriage. You don't like love marriage. Why?
She is from Kolkata. She is a city girl. I am a
Village boy.
Gaon ka.
Village boy.
So I approach. This is very big. You know, I mean, very big incident. So like this. I can slap English.
I also can slap English, okay?
So
I also can slap English. Good morning, Neil Hearts. So yeah, sorry. In today's video, I am going to talk English, walk English, speak English, bark English. I am going to do everything in English, and you know, my English is very good English, okay? My English is the best English. So yeah, without any more bakwas, chit chat, let's get started with the bomb blasting video. Yeah, तो नहीं. So let's get started. So guys, recently मैं न्यू एप्स के लिए ब्राउज कर रही थी एंड मुझे एक लैंग्वेज लर्निंग ऐप दिखा जिसका नाम है डुओलिंगो एंड यहाँ पे मैं कोरियन लैंग्वेज सीखने की कोशिश कर रही थी एंड मैंने देखा कि यहाँ पे आप इंग्लिश भी सीख सकते हो एंड आपको तो पता होगा हमारी कंट्री में स्पोकन इंग्लिश कितनी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होती है. मैं आपको जरूर डुओलिंगो ऐप रेकमेंड करूंगी क्योंकि ये हमेशा के लिए कंप्लीटली फ्री है. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो इस ऐप को आप प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक भी दे दिया है. एंड डुओलिंगो इंग्लिश के साथ साथ 20 से भी ज्यादा अदर लैंग्वेजेस भी सिखाता है जैसे कि स्पेनिश एंड फ्रेंच. मैं तो इंग्लिश ही चूज करने वाली हूँ. एंड डुओलिंगो आपके नीड के हिसाब से ही टीच करता है जैसे कि ब्रेन ट्रेनिंग, करियर एक्सेट्रा. पहली बार अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं? नहीं, मैं पहले से थोड़ी अंग्रेजी जानती हूँ. परीक्षा भी देना होता है गाइस. पता नहीं कैसा परीक्षा होगा. तुम दिल्ली से हो. यू आर फ्रॉम दिल्ली. आता है यार, मुझे आता है थोड़ा बहुत. और 1 2 3 1 2 3 आया ना. An egg is white. एक अंडा सफेद है ना. अद्भुत. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो मैं सीख ही गई हूँ एंड यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करते करते मैं और भी ज्यादा सीखूंगी. एंड मुझे डुओलिंगो बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल एक गेम की तरह है यार. मतलब बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग. तो किस लिए वेट कर रहे हो? जल्दी से डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने जो लिंक दिया है वहां से डाउनलोड कर लो एंड आपको जो भी लैंग्वेज सीखना है सीख लो.
Perfect. It's a good match. Let's start.
So guys, I was going to speak Hindi, but no, I will only speak English. And right now you can see I am gonna cook. And what will I cook? I will make tea because I don't know how to cook, but I know how to make tea very well. So I made this setup and I have taken this non-stick pan and in this non-stick frying pan or karhai I am going to make tea. Sorry for my very good English. So chalo. I said chalo and he horned. Okay, horned? He horned. You need to check first that the kadhai is hot or not, and then you need to add some water. Milk first. First you need to add milk.
Milk water.
Okay. Thank you for teaching me. So he told me, Situ told me that mix water with milk. This is his recipe, okay? So if it is bad, then I don't know anything.
Thank me later.
And I am going to add it. You will drink the tea?
I don't eat zahar.
You don't eat zahar, but you can drink zahar, right?
I don't eat or drink zahar.
So he also knows that whatever I make, that becomes zahar, guys.
I am fully non-venous. Or what? Non-venous.
Non-venomous. And then we will add some black tea leaves. Tea leaves, right?
Chapata.
Tea leaves. We will sprinkle. No. We have to add sugar first. We have to add sugar. Right now we will add sugar.
Yes. What a cook.
What a cook, guys. I am a mind-blowing cook. So right now I am adding some sugar. How much sugar?
How much you eat, that much you.
1
Put.
teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoon. Minimum this much.
Okay.
Not more.
Not more.
1 teaspoon more.
Okay. Give
Okay, 1 teaspoon
at your
more.
own risk.
I like sweet, guys. I like sweet tea.
That's why you are so bitter. And pita.
Little. It's boiling little. So will I add tea leaves now?
Tea leaves. Yeah. Give the tea leaves in the kodai.
It's smelling good, guys. It's smelling like milk only. But now I am going to add the tea leaves. This much.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yes.
It won't be bitter.
No.
Okay, guys. This much tea leaves. Any more?
On more. Haya.
Seriously?
On your God, your promise, your kira, your dipi,
You swear.
your swear. Yes.
This much?
Yes.
It will be too much.
Swear on you. Your swear.
Okay, guys. I am adding this.
Okay. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Now go to hell.
No, don't go to hell. Now I am. Can I use this China
Spoon.
China
Put it.
mitti
Soil.
China soil spoon? To
No.
stick this?
You have to use your finger.
No, I can't use my finger. Sorry, I can't use my.
Just put your finger and then do this.
Do you think I am crazy?
Too much.
No, I am not crazy.
It's a new kind of zahar.
It's not zahar. I will taste it and tell you.
Just put your mouth in the kadhai fully and then eat.
Do you think I am mad like you? It's good. Sometimes I take some sugar, like little bit.
So if you don't have any content, then they do this.
I take a little bit of sugar. Okay.
It's kar.
But I like it. I have this special coffee mug which one of my Neil Hertz gifted me. Thank you so much, Babu. Mwah. Love you for gifting me this coffee mug.
Do you know?
And I know her name.
What?
Her name is Jasmine. She is
Meet up.
She met me in one of our meetup. And she gifted me this, she also has given me a painting,
Yeah.
a painting of me.
Yeah.
She painting. No, that's not painting. That's sketch of.
Your English is too dying.
Your English is more dying.
Now you just drink it, Doka dog, drink it. Okay.
Okay.
Doka dog. No full stop, no
Comma.
space, no comma, only Doka dog. Just full drink in one time.
Oh, your English is so good.
I know. Don't feel jealous, okay? Like water. Yes. Doka dog.
Oh no!
जल गया को क्या बोलते हैं?
No English.
Okay.
No English punishment.
I need some barnol, guys. Please send me some barnol.
Comment please.
You want to taste a little?
No,
Come.
I never
Come
eat
na,
zahar.
come from here. But you are very tall, so you need to make it tall. Or okay, you come. You will be like you will sit a little. Okay. Good no?
माँ कसम एकदम फालतू है, कसम से बोल रहे, इतना घटिया चाय हमने
Guys, trust me, this only tastes like tea.
कसम से बोल रहा हूँ ना, आज तक जिंदगी में
ये भी गिर गया.
सोचो तुम्हारा चाय का टेस्ट इतना गंदा है कि उसका इफेक्ट उधर तक चला गया.
No, guys, it's good.
सच बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. I like it.
अच्छा चलो तसल्ली के लिए मतलब इंग्लिश.
Okay. In 10, what mark you will give?
0. ओके चलो हाँ.
It looks like tea.
That's why 2.
It tastes like tea.
No.
Maybe not 10 on 10, but it is tea only, right?
It's like sorbet. Sorbet means
Sharbat.
Sarbat. English sarbat.
Sweet drink. It's so tasty, guys. It's so tasty.
How can you?
It's very tasty. I'm telling you.
Say-
I will, if you meet me ever, I will make tea for you.
They will unsubscribe you for sure.
First of all, I am telling you, I am from a Bengali medium school. He is also from
I'm not from school. I am from primary school. So my
he is also
rest in peace.
okay, guys. He is also from Bengali medium school. Okay, so our Hindi and English both are rest in peace. Our mother language is Bengali.
Yeah, Hindi is our Masi language.
Masi language.
Masi's language.
Masi's language.
Masika.
And English is no one's language.
English is Parosan. Not
Parosan.
Stepmom.
So we don't know English. So please don't judge us.
I know English very much. English. I can dark English, bark English, घाक English, भाग English, सब कुछ English.
Eat English.
Yes, English.
Sleep English.
I can slap English.
I also can slap English. Okay,
So
I also can slap English.
Now it's too much extension, you know. मतलब.
So guys, we will see you soon.
Like the video.
Like the video. I didn't tell you.
For my English approach.
No.
চেষ্টা করেছি मतलब कोशिश किया. So
For our this much try, hard work, please give one like.
she is from Kolkata. She is a city girl. I am a
Village boy.
गाँव का
Village boy.
So I approach. This is very big. You know, I mean very big incident. So like please.
So you understand our
Yes.
dil ki baat,
Dil ki
because
baat.
we have heart to heart connection.
Yep.
So please give this video a like. Let's keep a target of
90,000.
70.
No, 90,000.
70,000.
90,000. Otherwise, I will
Drink zehar.
kill you by speaking English only. Bye.
So we are going to have our lunch and then we are going to a very special place which you will get to know very soon. Okay?
Let's.
Because
Yes.
Situ is going to get married very soon. So we are going to
Yes.
find a bride for her.
Yeah. But
A dulhan for her.
I will not marry her. Don't worry.
People think that you are going to marry me. Please marry me.
It's impossible, you know.
Please marry me. I am feeding you so many things. Please marry me.
I'm so much hungry, so I can't talk English.
If you marry me, if you marry me, then I will let you eat. Otherwise, I will not.
Listen. If you give this petrol to my pet, then I will.
Marry me.
I will speak English.
No, you have to marry
I
me.
will get energy.
You think I will marry you? Please go to hell.
I don't. You don't have the Yogyata. Means eligibility. Don't have. And today I will give her some shairi, Hindi shairi, and he have to translate. She have to translate in English.
Hindi shairi in English.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay.
if you can't.
If I can do it, then what will I get?
You will get baby from me. not that kind of. No. I will give you some baby kind of doll. You know, that's the gift.
Will you give me today only in the video? You will show them, na?
Yeah.
You have to show them.
पक्का. Number 1 first. हंसी के लिए गम कुर्बान, हंसी के लिए गम कुर्बान, खुशी के लिए आंसू कुर्बान.
Okay, one line.
No. दोस्त के लिए जान भी कुर्बान. अगर दोस्त की गर्लफ्रेंड मिल जाए तो साला दोस्त कुर्बान. Let's translate it.
For smile,
Okay.
sadness,
What?
Kurban.
No, you
Kurban.
you forget it.
For smile, I will sacrifice sadness.
Yes, गम कुर्बान. Okay, then
For happiness,
खुशी के लिए आंसू कुर्बान.
I will sacrifice tears.
Tears. हाँ, okay. दोस्त के लिए जान भी कुर्बान.
For my friend, I will sacrifice my life.
अगर दोस्त की गर्लफ्रेंड मिल जाए तो साला दोस्त कुर्बान.
If I get my friend's girlfriend, then I will sacrifice my friend.
But I think there is something.
If there is, can you tell me what was wrong?
Okay. Now one more.
One more, okay.
बेवफा तुम हो तो वफादार हम भी नहीं, बेशरम तुम हो तो शर्मसार हम भी नहीं, प्यार के इस मौत पर कहते हो कि शादीशुदा हो.
ब्रो
तो क्या
ये तो तुम
हुआ
हिंदी में
यार?
नहीं पढ़ सकते हो, मैं इंग्लिश में क्या बोलूं?
नो इंग्लिश you lose.
So guys, यहाँ पे मैं लेके आ गई हूँ मेरी मॉम को, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. Sorry. So guys, I have my mom with me right now, and my mom will also speak really good English for you guys. Okay, so my English and my mom's English is almost same. So yeah, let's get started. So mom, love marriage or arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage.
You like love marriage or you like arranged marriage?
I like arranged marriage.
You like arranged marriage. You don't like love marriage.
नहीं.
Why? In English. Why don't you like love marriage? Control
है.
Your family controls you, so you like arranged marriage.
So you like.
Otherwise, you will do love marriage.
नहीं.
No.
Yes.
You don't like love marriage. So guys, I really hope. So guys, I really hope that you liked today's video, and if you liked today's video, then please give it a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because it's totally free and free. And I love you all. I love my Neil Heart so much. Mwah! You guys are my blue diamonds, and you guys are so beautiful. I love you so much, guys. And bye.